Hello Mishi! Summer has well and truly arrived in Australia, and one of my favourite things about summer here are the wide range of fruits available at this time of year. So today I'm going to show you how to make 5 of my favourite fruity milkshakes. They're really super easy to do, it takes no time at all, and it's really nice on a hot summer's day. So let's get started! So shake number 1, we're going to make a strawberry shake that's really good for breakfast. So in goes the strawberries. All of the strawberries. I'm going to add 2 heaped tablespoons of yogurt. You can use Greek yogurt or whatever thick creamy yogurt you have. I'm going to add a little bit of honey. Milk. And I'm adding chia seeds. It's optional, but they're really good for you, and it helps thicken the milkshake as well. And blend until smooth. Yum. And pop a little strawberry on the side. And that's strawberry milkshake. Shake number 2. This is a mango icy shake. It's really refreshing, this one. So in goes all your mangoes. I'm using 2 because I love a really strong mango flavour, but feel free to use a smaller amount. Ice cubes. Say 4. Your milk. And blend until smooth. Yum. Yum. There's a mango one. Shake number 3. This is the banana and blueberries milkshake. So in goes 1 banana. I'm using a frozen one because it's going to give me a thicker consistency. Frozen berries. Little bit of honey. Milk. And just a dollop of yogurt. So nice and thick. I'm going to top with a few berries. Banana and blueberry milkshake. So the 4th milkshake is avocado milkshake. So I'll put in, I've got 1 avocado. Let's pop that in there. Then I'm going to add a dollop of yogurt. Maybe 2 teaspoons of condensed milk. This is going to be the sweetener for this milkshake. And milk. Close the lid. So nice and thick, this one. This was the avocado milkshake. So the last one we're going to make is a naughty one. It's a lemon cheesecake milkshake. So this is not one you want to eat every day. Let's start with 3 scoops of ice cream. 3 generous scoops of ice cream. Yum. And I'm gonna put in I don't have homemade lemon curd this time, but I'm just using a store-bought one. So, 3 cream cheese. I'd say probably about 100 grams or so. And milk. Got a little bit of fresh lemon zest in there. I'm going to top with a little scoop of ice cream. Zest over a little bit of lemon. Garnish with a wedge of lemon. This is the lemon cheesecake milkshake. So there you have it, 5 fruity shakes for summer. Try it for yourself.